The producers and distributors of Tech AV audiovisual training aids welcome you to this program dealing with the subject of gas metal arc welding. This is program number 1, in which you will be introduced to the basic principles of gas metal arc welding and safety procedures. Gas metal arc welding, or GMAW processes, can be categorized into 3 main divisions, namely metal inert gas, or MIG welding, metal active gas, or MAG welding, and flux cored arc welding, or FCAW. GMAW is considered a semi-automatic welding process, in that the welding machine, having been correctly set up, automatically adjusts itself for variances during the welding process. One of the major advantages of GMAW over conventional stick welding processes is that because the electrode is fed continuously from a spool into the welding run can be much longer without the need to keep stopping to fit an electrode. In this program, we shall be concerned with the manual application of gas metal arc welding, although the equipment can easily be adapted for use with robotic processes. In broad terms, GMAW welding involves the continuous feeding of an electrode or filler metal into the weld pool. The filler metal is produced in the form of wire, which is made from the same or similar metal as the metal to be welded. Most welders refer to GMAW electrodes as wire. During the welding process, a welding gas or shielding gas is directed over the weld area, and this effectively prevents the surrounding air from coming into the weld zone, thus preventing contamination.